guys, this is Rajan from R Theory Motorsports. Just want to show you guys today some of our billet water pump and alternator pulleys that we make for the NA and NB Miata. So these are lighter than the stock pulleys, and we'll put the weight somewhere here, maybe here, maybe here. So they do free up some rotating mass and free up a little bit of horsepower, but the main advantage is that they just look so nice in your engine bay. You spend so much time building your engine, or you're about to build your engine, and you just want some nice finishing touches at the front of your engine bay. So these look super cool, especially when they're spinning. They're available in 3 different colors. So in our signature blue anodized, nickel chrome, and black anodized. So we have something for any build, any engine bay configuration. And we have the water pump pulleys fit both NA and NB Miatas. And then we have alternator pulleys that are either NA specific or NB specific. So some questions that we get are, oh, I have a 1.6 Miata, but I swapped in an NB engine. Which pulley do I use? And you want to get a pulley that matches your chassis, because you're still keeping the same original 1.6 alternator. The alternator pulley is specific to the alternator that you're using. Also keep in mind, some of the European guys, they have 1.6 NBs, and they still need to use a NB alternator pulley. So these are different pulleys that we offer. Check them out at rtheorymotorsports.com or pick them up at one of our vendors. See you guys. Oh, wait, before you go, a common question that we always get is, you guys make these cool water pump and alternator pulleys. When are you gonna make a power steering pulley? And we can't really make a power steering pulley because on the Miata, the pulley on the power steering pump is pressed onto the shaft. You can't take it off without destroying it. Well, we did some thinking, how can we help you guys out? So we made a bezel, and we'll show this off in more detail in the next video. But we made a bezel. First production run is currently in process, and they're going to be available in the same colors that bolts to your current power steering pulley. So stay tuned, and we'll show you guys more about this thing later. See ya.